Welcome back, guys. We'll be able to install that demo we were trying to install in the last video. So this is right here. You can view your website right now and you see the interface has changed because we've changed the demo. So we are going to view the website and we are going to go back to our dashboard to continue our customization. So this is the website. As you can see, it has changed right now because we've changed the theme, and as you can see, it is having all sort of posts that is not ours. So we are going to come back here and we're going to talk about headers and site identity. We are the header option right here. We are going to try and change the site identity. We've not talked about the site identity, so let's try and change the site identity. I've designed a logo for this site identity. As you can see, it's a current header. We don't have any image set for the current header, so I'm going to try and choose one from the ones I've designed. So I'm going to just click on upload and I'm going to go to the media. Then I'm going to select the ones I've designed. I'm going to show you how to design logos and all this in a later video in this course. So I'm going to click on this to take this logo, and I'm going to use this logo as the header of our blog. So we are going to have to redesign all the way again because we've changed the theme demo. So we are going to select and crop this, and we are going to keep cropping this. Then we are going to see what it looks like right now. I'm very sure this header will change. It's going to change to this header right there. So we are going to leave it at that since we've changed our header, and we're going to come back here to check it out. So we are going to have other things sorted out. So we are going to come to the site identity to do something about that. Just click on your site identity and we have other things you can do in the site identity. We still have our fave icon, and we are going to try and change our fave icon. There's something right here showing here. So you are going to click on logo and site, and this is the current fave icon. We are going to remove this and we're going to try and input ours. So we're going to try and input ours. We're going to select a logo. I have one image I uploaded earlier on from the design I made earlier on. As you can see, this is one right here. So we are going to try and change to this. We are going to use this for the fave icon. We are going to crop it and we can skip it and see what it looks like right now. So this is the fave icon right now. All we have to do is to publish it and see what it's going to look like. As you can see, this is our header we changed the other time. So all we have to do is to refresh this. Once we refresh this, it's going to change our fave icon up here once this has been published. So we're going to refresh this all over again to see the changes of our fave icon. So that's all about the header and site headings. You can check other settings as well for your header and you'll be able to work on these. As you can see, our fave icon has changed right here. I hope to see you in the next video. See you in the next video.